This is an important screen. A few things here that we'll talk about. I think the first one is a feature that comes from Oxygen, the original big daddy of Breakdance. And that is the idea that when you use Breakdance, you disable the theme of WordPress. There are some people that probably may want to keep their theme. If it's a theme they're very attached to, but they do like the builder of Breakdance, then you select your keep theme. We'll be working from scratch. We're going to click disable theme. It is already selected. We'll leave it there. The next one is the license key, and that's the one that I copied earlier. I can just paste it there. And then there's a few more options here. Analytics, you can say if you want to install it. We don't need it at this moment. Improve Breakdance, yeah, why not? And partner discounts, you can hide the partner discounts if you want so. But I think this is good enough for what we want to achieve at this moment. And I'll click on Finish Setup. Once all of this is done and we've installed the plugin and we've gone through that little wizard, you will see that we have a label here on the right in the navigation sidebar. And we have a number of things. We'll come back to many of these in module 2. For this one, we're barely going to touch anything here. I just think let's go to settings so you can have an idea so that you can see where we entered the license. And that is here at the very top. And you'll see that the license is valid. Everything is working well. There are many other options here as well. Again, module 2, almost everything that we're going to do is going to be right within the builder. We're not going to come into WordPress.